1. Which vitamin deficiency causes pernicious anemia? A. Vitamin B6. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer, B. 2. ESR is measured using which method? A. Saheli's method. B. Cyan-methemoglobin method. C. Weintraub method. D. Neubauer chamber. Correct answer, C. 3. Which organ produces erythropoietin? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Spleen. D. Bone marrow. Correct answer, B. 4. AFB culture is done on which medium? A. McConkey agar. B. Blood agar. C. Lowenstein-Jensen medium. D. Chocolate agar. Correct answer, C. 5. Which is the universal donor blood group? A. AB+. B. A. C. O. D. B+. Correct answer, C. 6. Which anticoagulant is used in ESR by Westergren method? A. Sodium fluoride. B. Heparin. C. EDTA. D. Sodium citrate. Correct answer, D. 7. Which of the following is a liver function test? A. Serum creatinine. B. Serum amylase. C. SGPT alt. D. T3, T4. Correct answer, C. 8. Which is the most common cause of urinary tract infection? A. Salmonella. B. Shigella. C. E. coli. D. Klebsiella. Correct answer, C. 9. Which medium is used for fungal culture? A. McConkey agar. B. Saboroud dextrose agar. C. Blood agar. D. Chocolate agar. Correct answer, B. 10. Hematocrit is related to which of the following? A. Plasma volume. B. Hemoglobin level. C. Packed cell volume. D. White blood cell count. Correct answer, C. 11. The main function of red blood cells is A. Antibody production. B. Oxygen transport. C. Clot formation. D. Nutrient absorption. Correct answer, B. 12. Which stain is commonly used for peripheral blood smear? A. Jeansa stain. B. Sudan stain. C. Zale-Nielsen stain. D. Pass stain. Correct answer, A. 13. Bleeding time is prolonged in deficiency of A. Hemoglobin. B. Platelets. C. Vitamin D. D. Calcium. Correct answer, B. 14. The smallest white blood cell is A. Monocyte. B. Basophil. C. Lymphocyte. D. Neutrophil. Correct answer, C. 15. RBC count is best performed using A. Weintraub tube. B. Saheli's method. C. Neubauer chamber. D. Cyan-methemoglobin method. Correct answer, C. 16. Anticoagulant used for complete blood count, CBC. A. Sodium fluoride. B. Heparin. C. EDTA. D. Sodium citrate. Correct answer, C. 17. Leukocytosis means A. Decreased RBC. B. Increased WBC. C. Decreased WBC. D. Increased platelets. Correct answer, B. 18. Sickle cell anemia is due to mutation in A. Hemoglobin A. B. Hemoglobin F. C. Hemoglobin S. D. Hemoglobin C. Correct answer, C. 19. Clotting time is measured using A. Neubauer chamber. B. Wright's method. C. Capillary tube method. D. ESR method. Correct answer, C. 20. Plasma is obtained by A. Allowing blood to clot. B. Centrifuging anticoagulated blood. C. Heating serum. D. Filtering serum. Correct answer, B. 21. Kuhn's test is used for detecting A. HIV. B. Malaria. C. Antibodies against RBC. D. Dengue. Correct answer, C. 22. Which test is used for diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis? A. CRP. B. RF test. C. ESR. D. ASO titer. Correct answer, B. 23. Which cell is responsible for antibody production? A. T cell. B. Macrophage. C. Plasma cell. D. Neutrophil. Correct answer, C. 24. Glucose estimation in blood is done using A. Benedict's method. B. Jaffe's method. C. God-Pod method. D. Follin-Wu method. Correct answer, C. 25. Hematuria means presence of a protein in urine. B. Glucose in urine. C. Blood in urine. D. Ketones in urine. Correct answer, C. 26. The normal WBC count per cubic millimeter is a 4000, 1000. B. 1000, 4000. C. 5000, 1000. D. 1000, 2000. Correct answer, A. 27. Blood is transported from lungs to heart by a pulmonary vein. B. Aorta. C. Pulmonary artery. D. Coronary artery. Correct answer, A. 28. Malaria is diagnosed by a Widal test. B. ELISA. C. Blood smear. D. VDRL test. Correct answer, C. 29. Dengue fever is confirmed by which test? A. NS1 antigen. B. ELISA. C. RT-PCR. D. All of the above. Correct answer, D. 30. Bile pigments in urine can be detected by a. Heller's test. B. Hayes test. C. Fauchet's test. D. Rothera's test. Correct answer, C. 31. Normal range of serum creatinine in adults. A. 0.5–1.2 mg per deciliter. B. 1.5–2.5 mg per deciliter. C. 0.2–0.5 mg per deciliter. D. 2.0–4.0 mg per deciliter. Correct answer, A. 32. Which method is used for platelet count? A. Saheli's method. B. Neubauer chamber. C. ELISA. D. ESR tube. Correct answer, B. 33. Zale-Nielsen stain is used to detect A. E. coli. B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. C. Salmonella. D. Candida. Correct answer, B. 34. Benedict's test is used for detection of A. Protein in urine. B. Sugar in urine. C. Ketone bodies. D. Bile salts. Correct answer, B. 35. Sodium fluoride is used as anticoagulant for estimation of A. Calcium. B. Urea. C. Blood glucose. D. Hemoglobin. Correct answer, C. 36. Blood grouping is based on which antigen? A. HLA. B. ABO. C. Rho. D. HBs. Correct answer, B. 37. The instrument used to measure hemoglobin is called A. Hemocytometer. B. Hemoglobinometer. C. Centrifuge. D. Spectrophotometer. Correct answer, B. 38. Enzyme elevated in myocardial infarction. A. SGPT. B. Amylase. C. Troponin. D. Alkaline phosphatase. Correct answer, C. 39. Which test detects HIV infection? A. Widal test. B. ELISA. C. VDRL. D. Coombs test. Correct answer, B. 40. The cap color of sodium fluoride vacutainer is A. Yellow. B. Gray. C. Red. D. Blue. Correct answer, B. 41. The causative agent of tuberculosis is A. Mycoplasma. B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. C. Streptococcus. D. Vibrio. Correct answer, B. 42. Function of neutrophils is A. Antibody production. B. Phagocytosis. C. Clotting. D. Oxygen transport. Correct answer, B. 43. Blood culture bottles should be incubated at A. 25 degrees Celsius. B. 37 degrees Celsius. C. 10 degrees Celsius. D. 4 degrees Celsius. Correct answer, B. 44. ESR increases in A. Polycythemia. B. Pregnancy. C. Dehydration. D. Leukemia. Correct answer, B. 45. The best method for sterilization of surgical instruments. A. Boiling. B. Autoclaving. C. Disinfection. D. Sun drying. Correct answer, B. 46. Which of the following is a liver enzyme? A. LDH. B. AST. C. CK. D. Troponin. Correct answer, B. 47. Microscopy for acid-fast bacilli uses A. Light microscope. B. Phase contrast microscope. C. Fluorescence microscope. D. Electron microscope. Correct answer A. 48. Presence of ketone bodies in urine indicates A. Jaundice. B. Diabetes mellitus. C. Infection. D. Renal failure. Correct answer B. 49. Which of the following is a protein test in urine? A. Sulfosalicylic acid test. B. Benedict's test. C. Rothera's test. D. Fauchet's test. Correct answer A. 50. Which of the following is a confirmatory test for syphilis? A. VDRL. B. Vidal. C. TPHA. D. ELISA. Correct answer C.